प्रधानमंत्री जी की सदैव सोच रही है वोकल फॉर लोकल, उनकी सोच रही है लोकल टू ग्लोबल, उनकी सोच रही है मेक इन इंडिया बट मेक फॉर द वर्ल्ड। और हम सब की सोच है उनके नेतृत्व में विकसित भारत 2047। टुडे टेलीकॉम हैज बिकम द लाइफ ब्लड of humanity. And this is not an exaggeration. It has become the CNS, the central nervous system of the globe. It is an invisible adrishya highway on which not only businesses, trade, but people's lives are run. And therefore in India, we also thought in the telecom ministry, in the communications ministry, that we have to do something different. We have to bring about a paradigm change. The Prime Minister has always said that India has to move from being a services-led nation to a product-led nation. And if we have to move from a services-led nation to a product nation, the three steps in sequence that we have to take is first, we have to ensure value addition. Second, we have to ensure IP creation. And after we do the first and the second, then we have to make sure that our flag flies very high on the global firmament in terms of our products going to the corners of the world. And to be able to do that, the government has to create a facilitatory mechanism to make sure that our IP creators, our innovators, our entrepreneurs, and companies that have a very, very long history of product creation move forward within India. And we have seen that Kranti taking place in the mobile space, mobile production space. From a country that used to produce only 5 crore phones, from a country that used to import 85% of its requirements of phones, today that country is producing 33 crore phones. 20% or 15% of Apple's full production worldwide today happens in India. You are looking at a country that today exports the phones that are made in India. So when these mobile phones in the hands of customers internationally no longer says made in some other country, it says made in India. And today it's become the #1 export from India. So mobile phones constitute the maximum number in our export basket. 33 crore production today. So what we thought was not possible, whether it's mobile production, whether it's UPI, 20 billion transactions a month, 270 billion transactions a year, $3.4 trillion transacted on UPI. We are exporting that to 9 nations today. And so if we've done it on UPI, if we've done it on mobile production, we can do it also on telecom equipment production. And with that idea in mind, the Communications Ministry came up with this idea. If you've seen an SEZ, why can we not see a TMZ? Which is a vertical devoted only to the telecom industry. And it must be an ecosystem end to end. All aspects of this ecosystem must play